Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Banu and welcome back to another video. In this specific video, we are going to learn English together. Stay connected to our channel. If you are the one who have started following our channel very first time, please give it a like, share and subscribe to our channel. It really motivates me to bring such a beautiful content for you. Without wasting our time, let's jump into the video. In this video, I'm going to give you one important technique which really going to help you guys. Before getting into that video, I would like to say something from my side. See, beat over anything. You might be an Telugu medium student, you might be an Hindi medium student, or else you might be an other medium student, and also your circumstances, your environment, your friends, whoever see staying around you are most important thing when you want to speak in English. See what happens if you don't have right atmosphere around you, you never become fluent in English. You never going to speak in English at all. Just forget about speaking English and just simply sit in a particular place and just do whatever you want to do. That's it. Yes. See, if we come back to our video, in this video I'm going to tell you one important technique, that is, yes guys, you need to come out of your comfort zone. See, unless you come out of your comfort zone, you are not going to speak in English. See, you might be having lot of dreams, you might be having a burning desire, you are the one who has a passionate of learning this English language, but only the reason, only the thing which is really making you stop not to speak in English is your comfortable zone. See, unless you are in your comfort zone, you will not know anything what's happening around you. Once if you step out of that comfort zone, you will come to know what are your strengths, you will come to know what are your weakness, and also you will come to know what are your capacity, what is your capacity. Everything you will come to know once if you only step out of your comfort zone. And also if you want to speak in English fluently, there are multiple resources, so which most of them are free of cost. You can speak, you can select, you can go and you can meet new people in your daily life, and you can create your own atmospheres once if you step out of your comfort zone. Like, see, there are many people like you who want to speak English every day in their life, right? So just identify such kind of people who is staying around you and just go to them and just ask them that from today onwards we are going to speak in English no matter what. If people are if people start laughing at our English, we have to let them laugh, but we should keep practicing every single day so that we are going to improve our English. So you need to take these kind of challenges as well, and you need to meet different people who speaks English better than you. What happens when you meet such kind of people, you will come to know what kind of phrases they are delivering while they are while they are in the conversation, right? So even there is much chance for you guys to adapt and to grasp and to identify what kind of vocabulary and how the sentence they are framing while speaking in English, and how confident they are speaking while they are having conversation. So it is the most important thing that you should speak whenever you are having conversation with your friends or some other people. You should be clear from your side and you should be more confident. See, no matter how much ever time you use when you are having conversation, it could be 1 minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes, but you have to use and you have to clear your pronunciation and everything so that you will be improving every single day. But whatever the chances, whatever the opportunities is coming into your way, just don't miss out those opportunities. Once if you miss those opportunities, you will never come back, guys, just remember. And this is the only thing you can do every single day, and this is the least thing you can do, guys, because it is your intention to speak in English. If you stop, if you keep full stop there itself, how are you going to speak in English? Just ask yourself. If you think that people are going to make fun of my English, people are going to start laughing at me if I start speaking English, so just ignore such kind of people. I have been telling you guys from a very long time that you should not care of people. You should start doing something great in your life. If you only speak English regular, then only you will see the improvement in your English. unless you open your mouth and unless you speak in English, you can never become fluent in English, guys. See, you will do lot of things in your day. You scroll your mobile, you browse your mobile, and you do everything regarding your mobile. Just I am asking, just spend little amount of time for improving your English communication. It is really important nowadays. So it's my intention, all I want you guys to speak in English fluently. So that is why you are here, right? If you are the one who is watching this video, it indicates that you want to learn English, right? So you are listening to everything whatever I'm telling in this video. I don't know whether you are implementing it in your daily life or not. See, unless you implement it in your real life, you can't do anything, guys. Once if you start coming out of your comfort zone, and once if you start meeting new people, and once if you start speaking, and once if you start maintaining some sort of discipline and everything in your life, definitely you are going to catch that fluency. Nobody can stop you to reach out whatever the desires in your inside of your head, right? So just use, guys, use your mobile in a wise manner. Definitely it is going to give nice rewards at the end of the day, right? So if you get success, you are going to enjoy that success, right? Nobody comes, even they nobody comes, right? So this is what all I wanted to convey in today's video. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys really like my video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in another video. Till then, you should not forget to put a smile on your face. Thank you so much for watching.